A dirty air filter can choke a blower motor by starving it of airflow and forcing it to work harder than designed. Restricted airflow raises static pressure in the system, which makes the blower motor draw more current and run hotter, shortening bearing life and degrading insulation on the windings. Variable speed motors are especially vulnerable because they try to maintain airflow and will shift operating points that can increase internal heat generation and stress electronic controls. To prevent this, replace the filter on a schedule based on manufacturer guidance and actual loading. Check filters monthly in dusty homes or after construction, and every 3 months in typical conditions. When inspecting filters, look for visible clogging, gray or dark discoloration, and compressed media, which indicate loss of effectiveness even if the filter looks intact. Set a physical reminder on a calendar or phone and log filter condition at each maintenance visit so trends are visible and you can move to a higher efficiency or thicker media only if the system fan can handle the added resistance. If you change to a denser filter, verify the blower static pressure and fan curve, or consult the air handler documentation to avoid unintentionally increasing motor load. Common mistakes include assuming a filter looks fine, so it does not need changing, which leads to progressive airflow loss. The quick fix is to remove and hold the filter up to light so you can see opacity and replace immediately if light does not pass. Another issue is upgrading to a denser filter without checking system compatibility, which can spike motor load. Solution is to confirm allowable filter thickness and maximum external static pressure for your air handler before switching media. A third problem is skipping inspections between annual service visits, which lets filters clog for long periods. The remedy is setting recurring reminders and inspecting at least monthly when conditions are dusty or a household has pets. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and gives professionals a place to connect with new clients related to maintenance and repair needs. We also host an active discussion community where users and contractors share real-world tips, ask specific questions, and post experiences, so we can all learn practical ways to protect equipment like blower motors.